So, okay, we're hitting the Ember months and it is normal for people to travel during Christmas. So if you're looking for the best ride option for you, this is one. Hi guys, it's me again, and today I'm going to be taking you on yet another amazing trip off-road. This might just be the best, but I'll leave you to be the judge of that. So to join, of course, you have to hop on and ride with me. If you're new here, do that by tapping on the bell icon below to turn on post notifications and subscribe. The Land Rover. The Land Rover Defender has returned, and well, they have given us a very late 2020 model. Right. So this particular Land Rover is the best SUV that has been released so far this year. 2020 wasn't shit after all. You know, it is box shaped and it has this retro feel. So to some people it might look basic, but it still looks appealing and very nice. I can't exactly say the same for the backside, but it does look good. Of course, like an SUV that it is, it comes as a 5-seater, and this time there's a 7-seater option made available. Yes, and it has a whole lot of luxury features that are very useful, put in there suitably and available for us to use, which include sockets and USB ports. Like, a car has sockets and USB ports. So, okay, we're hitting the Ember months and it is normal for people to travel during Christmas. So if you're looking for the best ride option for you, this is one. Large space, you can carry your family, you can charge your car inside it. Oh, I don't have to worry about bad roads, because this car, for a car that has good off-road abilities, it is good for bad roads. So the Land Rover Defender also comes in, or it presents us with options. Yeah, we have the 2-door option, which is called the Defender 90, and we have the 4-door option, which is called the Defender 110. Rumor has it that in a few years to come, a smaller Defender will join the lineup. That is going to be called the Defender 80. But just in case you're asked, I didn't say that. Anyway, it also comes in various trims. We have the S, we have the SE, we have the HSE, we have the first edition, and we have the X. Each feature, or each trim has like unique features. So the higher the trim, the more unique and better features you have in each. This though doesn't mean that the base trim is any less great. It's still a mad ride nonetheless. The Defender is something you'd love. So the base trim of the Land Rover Defender is powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder, which is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission gear. Of course, the drivetrain offered is all-wheel drive, lit, of course, and it's generally a great ride. Yes, it stands high above the ground with an amazing 11.5 inches of ground clearance. Mad. It can also swim through like 35.4 inches of water depth. Right here, you see these 2 points I just mentioned. This is where it beats the Jeep Wrangler. Yes, I did talk about the Jeep Wrangler some time ago. I also mentioned it in my previous video, so you might want to check them out, you know. So when we move over to the interior of this new Land Rover Defender, wow. We are presented first of all with a very classy and roomy cabin. Yes, it's actually very roomy. The cargo space is great, but not so great. But then that's typical of some SUVs, most actually. Better if the back seats, the rear seats are folded. So if your family comprises of adolescents and maybe like Christmas is coming and then you have to travel and you have a whole lot of luggage, it's not going to work for you. Here you might have to employ the use of your rooftop carrier. Still great. Anyway, the interior is still, it has this very rugged feeling, like very rugged, you know, and then it has this very calm, feel at home feel. So right there on the dash, splattered with a whole lot of amazing materials used for the decor, we have a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which of course is compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi hotspot, and the rest of them. It also runs on this new interface called the Pi Pro. I'm going to pronounce it as Pi because of Wi-Fi, actually, but I don't know if that is how it's actually pronounced. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so now when it comes to what a lot of us enjoy during our rides, our music, this Land Rover Defender gives us this very mad option. It presents us with a 6-speaker stereo system, okay? And for those who are willing to spend more dollars, of course, there are optional 10 and 14 Meridian speaker stereo systems available. Of course, safety tech features are not left out. There are a lot of them, but most importantly, we have the adaptive cruise control, we have the lane keep assist, we have the pedestrian detection warning, we have the automatic emergency braking too. Lit, you know. Anyways, yes, crash test results have not been released, but hopefully this time they will be super great and this particular car will not have to be discontinued again. That was a super long break. We don't want that anymore. This car is here to stay, don't you think so? Anyway, so we have arrived at our destination for today. Very sad part, but the good part is I'm always here. I will always be here, so you would see me some other time soon, actually. So thank you once again for joining me. I really appreciate. If you haven't subscribed, please do that and tap on the bell icon below to turn on post notifications. Also, please share my video and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Some people don't actually give me this thumbs up. I don't know if we have beef, but I'm just saying, just like my video, you know, it helps me get better for you. Anyway, thank you once again for joining me. Don't forget to share my video. If you don't share my video, we'll fight. Serious fight. Anyway, here's my saying bye.